100%. Wait, can you catch this? Can you catch this guy?
Just keep pinging.
Yeah. Oh, is he? No, he's not passing to. Never mind, he's going on.
Yawa. Naglag.
Puro lag kayo. Grabe kayo mga Bisaya ngayon ah. Lurky, where the fuck are you, nigga?
Malag nga.
So,
Maraming
lumapit
baga
na.
server.
Reconnecting.
Ha?
Shisha bombed.
Kayo na pati.
Parang lahat ng healer ko reconnecting ah, para masama yan ah.
Masamang pangitain.
Maka-converge siguro to.
Yo, careful over the wall.
Converge ako eh.
The smart inside smashing.
Lag rin sa akin.
Mawawala
Yeah, yeah, listen, I need 2 tanks watching the southwest gate later and my behind, okay? You have to tell me if they're flanking me, okay? Everyone, you kill the guards here. Can we kill the guards here? Kill the guards here, drag to me inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. Yeah, smash the southwest also. And smash the north side also. Smash the southwest, smash this north side. Smash everything.
They have club, they have perma. They have perma. There's small club.
Oh yeah, mounted. Most when some dismounted.
Shaper. Smash the small gate also. Yeah, I need taps on my southwest and behind, okay? Yo, come south. Tayo na, dami namang battle mounts na yan.
Lugi.
Yo, can you dismount this ano muna? This beetle behind me? Can you dismount this beetle behind me? Can we slow him down? Yo, dismount this. Where's my ballistas? Can my ballistas focus on this beetle? Where's my ballistas?
What the fuck, where are they? Nasa labas.
Ballistas, where are you?
Nilalapit
Demounting
tayo
up. Demounting up.
Ba't ngayon pala kayo nagmamount up?
No, they got dismounted. You guys are not dodging the fucking cannons, huh?
Bro, how the fuck you get dismounted when enemy ballista was still inside? Yo, listen. Start smashing the small gate. Yo, some healers over the wall, some guard runes over the wall. Tanks, start smashing over the wall. West side, guys. West side. Here, west side. Start smashing. Just hold here on me. Then I need guard runes over the northwest wall here. Healers over the northwest wall. Just heal the tank smashing. Can I get some people to start smashing? Hello? Or do I have to fucking do it? Hello? Just step up. And just guard rune over the wall, northwest side. Yo, can you guys heal those guys and guard rune? Yo, just hug the wall southeast here. Hug the wall southeast, Clyde, in King Silverus. Hug the southeast wall.
Pwede
Yeah,
ko
there.
makikita ng isang healer dito sa notice kung bubok namin na sa Lord.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, silence those ballistas when they're coming in I'm silencing it, don't worry. Yo, just kill those battle mounts inside, okay? Kill those battle mounts inside. Yo,
Take
come
a back
south
nine.
more. Heal up. Come south.
Bugi, likod! Ano,
Yeah,
nataba!
come south. OC. On the southeast gate, everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. Full push southeast now. Full push southeast and get out. Full push southeast and get out. Spread northeast side and heal up. Heal up. Come southeast more. Come east more. Southeast, guys. Southeast. Follow me. Southeast. Heal up. Okay, get ready. We're gonna engage on top of us. Get ready. Hold. On top of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of us now. Keep coming south. Everyone get out. Fucking full, bro, man. Why is it so late always, man? Is there no tank outside?
Ako nakatingin, bad letter ako.
Yeah, is there no tank outside?
Hindi ko nung...
Hello, tanks. Hello. Are you guys there? Tanks.
Yo, help yung ballista. Help na dito.